Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as I promised in my previous video, I will show you, or I will try the sound of this old Czechoslovak Tesla speaker box, produced in the year 1958. So, it's about 67 years old box, equipped with one full-range speaker, Tesla 2AN63350. The production of these speakers started in the year 1956, and watch my previous video. I put here active link if I don't forget, because this box was factory sealed from the backside and there was a mouse nest inside. I was very surprised. I didn't know how it was possible to get the mouse inside because it was factory sealed, but I have found that here is opening inside. So it was a mouse home many years ago, because I have found it here yesterday in front, backside in front of my listening room, where it was about 20 years, and in this mouse nest were inside lot of empty nuts. So watch my previous video. It was for me very funny. And if you would like to know more info about this box, I say it in my previous video. In this video only the sound only, and let's try it. For example, the track number 3. The music is from the YouTube library only. I receive by every video the questions what music I use. So regarding the copyright on the music, I use the YouTube library music only from CD player. Track number 4. I must say, I love the sound of old Tesla speakers. I love it. I know I receive sometimes very negative comments that everything, all this audio scrap, but I love it. Pretty nice sound. So, dear friends, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and as I always say, if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So once more, thank you for watching and have a nice day.